So we spotted a couple goats about a mile away on this cliff. And we're going to put a stalk on them. It's going to take a while to get there. And we're going to see if we can't nail one with a bow. The terrain is pretty rugged. But we'll see what we can do. We'll see if we can find him when we get over there. Should be exciting.
We're going up the mountain. Putting the stalk on these ramps. We've already gone up maybe 500 feet. Got a ways to go. Yes! Yes! Woo! Oh my God! Woo! That was a rush. That was about a 3-hour stalk and climb and
Don't forget the fences.
and out. Finally, all the way across the draw. Put the hammer down on him, and he's rolling around down there. It went right through the back because I was up above him, and it dropped him. I believe it might have spined him. I don't know. It's probably going out the bottom. First Catalina ram. I'll take it. We earned that thing, working hard. Special thanks to Saberson Outfitters. It's a beautiful day that God gave us. Great work on the camera by Tony. Oh my gosh. Dude. Yeah, that did the job. Couldn't have hit that better with a rifle. It just dropped.